Israel mocks the Quran while raining bombs on Gaza. Israel has sparked outrage by trying to justify its bombardment of Gaza using verses of the Quran. In what is seen as a new low for the Zionist state, Israel's Arabic Twitter page shared an image of devastation in the besieged enclave alongside verses from chapter 105 of the Muslim holy book. Known as Al-Fil, the elephant, the chapter recounts the story of how God punished an army that attacked the holy city of Mecca by sending a flock of birds which pelted the invading army with stones of hard-baked clay. The use of Quranic scripture has triggered an enormous backlash, with people denouncing the Israelis for mocking the Holy Quran and taunting the world's 1.8 billion Muslims. Sacrilegious blasphemy and callousness of the highest magnitude, said prominent Muslim cleric Dr. Yasser Kadhi. The official Arabic Twitter account of the apartheid country of Israel just tweeted out the Quranic verses of Surah Al-F+L, in which the pre-Islamic destruction of Abraha's army is described by sending stones upon them, with a picture of its bombing of Gaza, he explained. This is a sacrilegious mockery of the Quran and of human life, he added, denouncing what many have said is an attempt by Israel at trolling the entire Muslim world. How low can you go? Al-Kadhi ended his remark by saying that he was genuinely surprised that an official account can stoop to such a level, but then he reminded himself of the reality of the Zionist mindset, and everything all fell into place.